Hello and welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is SAPSC and today I actually have a little bit a new tutorial here on my channel, and today I'm recording on another webcam, so this is going to be really fun to see how it looks like in the end. Okay, so what we see right now is the Welcome to Twitch Studio. Before your stream will help you set up your mic, webcam, layouts and settings, which is a really great thing. So you press on get started like normal, and it will automatically feel your microphone. It will test it and see how it looks like, and I'm around the half of the bar, which is kind of good. It should not be too high, it should not low, and sit there. So if you're not happy, you can personalize it and it looks like something like that. And of course you can do that later, which is really good. You can remove background noises, which I probably will do. Then you can actually use continue to webcam, and it will show you this thing later. You can also check out some nice and cool color effects in the thing, but I'm prefer to have defaults to continue the layouts. Here there are the typical layouts, which is really cool, and I'm going to have this in the like the more normal one. So let's continue to settings. I'm happy with this because I'd like to have a be right back button, a main button and a chatting button for multi-purpose layouts for discussion and things like that. Continue to settings. In this menu here you can actually test run your computer and internet to recommend for your computer, and I can test it right now. Okay, so at the moment they gave me 720 by 30. I'm fine with this right now because I don't have fiber. I have really bad internet right now, so I'm not complaining about this. I will do. You can actually change this in the future as well, which I will do in the new apartment. Continue to add. So this is actually how it looks later, and everything here can you change, which I will do. But you have all these things like the main screen. Here's where is the game going to be, the be right back button, and the chatting. Just chatting and things like that button, which is really cool. I'm going to make a little bit of change shift on the main here. I'm going to right click on it and press edit. Now I'm here and I can see everything here. I will put that there in the middle, try to have it specific in mid as possible, and put it there instead. Okay, so I want to delete the border because I don't like the border here. So delete it. So I'm gonna add a chroma key instead. And it automatically detects green here, which is good. So if I get something green behind me, it will have it away as good as possible. But remember, always have lights because it will be really good in the end. You can actually change other things here as well. You can actually change the wallpaper, which is basically this Twitch thing. You can actually change the background color as well if you want, to anything you want. And basically this game capture thing, if we example do this right now, so here we go. So right now it felt it right away and gave it in the background, so that's really good. And you can optimize and change however you want in this, but I've seen actually that it's really sad that you cannot have your chat in the streaming software yet. I hope they will put it there later, but for now it doesn't work. So that's a little bit sad, but because I want to record and be able to answer on stream and also upload it to YouTube later to show everyone how it looks like. So that's a little bit sad. It is really cool because you almost don't need to have any work at all. It's just amazing right away. And I don't know if you can see it, but I have also optimized my streaming deck to be able to have it here. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So this is a really cool beginner tool for new Twitch streamers, and They're actually really good.
It actually maybe sound like that, but sound like this video sponsored, but it is really not, I swear. But that will actually be everything for this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. If you didn't like the video, please dislike. Don't forget to share, comment, like, subscribe, and press little notification bell. All notifications needed now. So upload to the new. Have a great day or good night depending on the video. Bye.